Hello and welcome. Today we are going to talk about discrete mathematics and its use in the math and computer science field. Let's begin. Discrete in discrete mathematics deals with unconnected objects, finite sets, and among other things, integers, graphs, statements in logic, and can deal with many complex problems that we can see in computing today. In fact, there is no real definition for what discrete mathematics encompasses. It's more defined by what it excludes rather than what it includes, such as calculus and Euclidean geometry. From a broad point of view, discrete mathematics can be used to solve a variety of complex problems using mathematical logic. Some of these problems include the best way to get from point A to point B through different methods of transportation, the different amount of passwords that can be produced with a certain amount of parameters, the probability of winning the lottery, and among other things, the number of valid internet addresses that exist, possible ways to encrypt a message so that unintended recipients cannot read it, and different ways of solving the problem of identifying spam email messages. Discrete mathematics is basically built off the building blocks of logic, and to really get into logic you need to take a step back and understand where that comes from, and that's propositions. Another term for propositions is a statement. A statement can be as simple as 1 plus 1 is 2, but overall you have to know that a proposition or your statement is really a declarative sentence that has a true or false value. You can assign these statements to the value of a variable and assign it a true or false value. Once you do this, your options for creating mathematical equations based on this foundation building block from logic grow quite a bit. Here we have an example of a truth table with the variables x and y. As you can see in the first two columns, the third column being the equation of x or y followed by x and y, and then finally x exclusive or y. The ones and zeros under represent the values of true or false. These are the basic equations we can expand on to assist us in solving logic-based computing problems. Discrete mathematics also deals with graphs. An example shown here is a graph with very specific and unique properties in the layout of how each integer object is connected. In summary, discrete mathematics has been taught at universities from the 1980s to today as a means to bridge some gaps between complex computing problems for engineering and computer science students that were simply not supported in the calculus-based mathematics that most students take today. Discrete mathematics deals with a variety of computer science related areas, such as dealing with logic, proofs, and truth tables that we went over earlier, algorithms around counting and dealing with sets of numbers, trying to find patterns, probabilities, number theories, various complex algebra, and many more concepts that are used in the computer science world today. I hope you found this video educational, and here I have some references and citations that were used to help me make it. Thank you so much for watching.